Right, we're on the road to Kirkstone Pass. All closed because we got a landslide somewhere. Yes, it's that cold. Icicles, Slate, icicles. I walked down here once in the dark because I couldn't find the bridge across the river when I came down from High Street, which is that far little hill on top of the valley. That is where there's a sty in the middle of the field. There's nothing around it. Right, what we got? I tried to put my drone up just the other side of that farm where those trees are. Little hill. Couldn't get high enough and close enough. Too dark as well. See, all the landslide come down there. So, oh, you're going to repair this. Looks like you haven't started yet. We've got a tree in the way. That's where it is, folks. Put the new boughs in on stabled the ground. Right, let's see what we can do with the drone. Someone's at the barrier. Right. We're opening the road up there. Right, that's the landslide, and that's unions, and that's the shit.